Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we are showcasing the steps how to convert MSG file to PDF file in some clicks. Firstly, download now BitRecover MSG to PDF Converter Wizard. Use BitRecover MSG to PDF Converter Wizard and get ultimate features. Attachments are converted in PDF document. Create non-searchable PDF file required for security reasons. Advanced mail filter and folder filter options. Maintain complete data folder structure. Install and run BitRecover MSG to PDF Wizard. For more details, check description. Simple software interface is an advantage of this utility. Click on the Next button. The software has dual mode, that is select files and select folder to select files data. Choose select folder option to select MSG files from the stored location. After that, click on the Next tab. Here the tools show all the MSG file in that folder. Here you can select desired folders for the conversions. After that, click on the Next tab. There is a very useful feature, convert attachment as PDF, that is only available in the Pro license of the tool. Enabling it, you can convert attachments as well in PDF document pages. Then comes the black and white mode option. If you select this function, the resulting PDF files will create as non-searchable. Select the checkbox for converted message. Same folder, you can get the email messages in the default folder. Now, please note that if you don't change the destination path to see the final PDF files, the tool will save it on your desktop location. So, to specify a location, click on folder-like icon and mention the location in the field. If you want to save the converted document in a more organized way, please choose one option from the multiple file names based on time, date, subject, from, etc. It is the best technique to keep converted PDF documents. Go and click on the Convert button. When the data is completely converted, a complete conversion message appears. Click on the OK tab. Now, it will prompt a message with a limitation of trial. Trial version will allow you to convert 25 emails from each folder. Now, click on OK button. The software automatically opens the destination path where PDF files has been saved. See the list of PDF files. Open PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Here you can see all of the pages of PDF file.